Now I'm going to take you through some sort of pictorial proof of the origin of volume of a pyramid. So I have a cube 4 by 4 by 4 centimeters, and I'm putting through the 4 longest diagonal, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to shade a pyramid. So you could see that I've shaded a pyramid with the base 4 by 4, and the pyramid goes up to the very center of the cube. Now looking at this cube, can you sort of guess how many of such pyramid could be used to completely make the cube? Remember, a cube has 6 faces, and I form a pyramid on one of the faces. If you guess right, the answer is 6, which means I could form a pyramid on each of the faces. Okay, now, so we are saying that the pyramid is a sixth of the volume of the cube. Meanwhile, the volume of the cube is 4 by 4 by 4, which is 64 centimeter cube. So if the volume of the cube is 64 centimeter cube, and the pyramid is a sixth of the cube, then we can say the pyramid is 32/3 in simplest form. I don't want to go into decimal, so I'm just keeping it as a fraction because I'm going to make a reference to this fraction to prove a point. So the volume of the pyramid is 32/3 centimeter cube. Now I'm going to slice the cube through the middle horizontally. So I've done that such that the pyramid will fit perfectly into the new shape. Let's pull it down. So you now see that I have a cuboid this time, 4 by 4 by 2, and the pyramid sits perfectly inside this cuboid. Remember, we said 6 of the pyramid makes the cube. This time, slicing half of it, how many of the green pyramid makes the cuboid? It should be 3. Okay, so we have 3 of the pyramid making the cuboid. Volume of the cuboid is 4 by 4 by 2, 32 centimeter cube. And if the pyramid is a third of the cuboid, we can say that the volume of the pyramid again is 32/3, the one we had in the previous slide. Now the difference here is that we can see that this time the pyramid fits perfectly inside the cuboid. So therefore we can deduce from here that pyramid, the formula is simply the volume of the prism that it fits in divided by 3. So the volume of a pyramid is a third of the prism that it fits in. That is why the formula for pyramid is base area times the height divided by 3. That's a little proof. There are complex proof, but this is the little proof that I can use to explain to you why the formula is base area times height divided by 3 for pyramid. And we do the same for cones. We imagine it as a cylinder. We work out the cylinder and we divide it by 3.